Hi guys, I'm Mana. I specialize in cooking for gut health with Sakekasu. Today, I want to talk about 3 different types of Sakekasu. Now, you might be wondering what are the differences between them. Okay, let me explain. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my episodes. So, are you ready? Let's get started.
ITAKASU, pressed sake leaves. This is the most traditional form of Sakekasu. It comes in firm, flat sheet. This is exactly how it looks right after the sake has been pressed out from the machine. BARAKASU, crumble sake leaves. BARAKASU is Sakekasu that has been broken into small flakes or chunks either naturally during processing or intentionally. Unlike ITAKASU, which comes in solid sheet, BARAKASU is loose and easy to cook. Now NERIKASU, it's paste, a softer, paste-like form made by kneading ITAKASU or BARAKASU. NERIKASU is a not cooking friendly because it's soft like miso and dissolves easily into soups, marinades, smoothie, or any other seasoning. If you are sensitive to alcohol, please make sure to cook it off before using it in your recipes. As for how to cook off the alcohol, I'll explain that in another episode. Now let's see the texture one by one. ITAKASU, as you can see, it's too firm to cut with fork. BARAKASU is more softer and you can cut with fork. NERIKASU is the softest. It is literally paste. You can make Sakekasu paste. So, as for how to make it, I'll explain that in another episode. People who never tried Sakekasu ask me all the time, what does Sakekasu taste like? Well, I would say it's like miso meets cheese meets sake. But just like each sake tastes different, Sakekasu does too. There are almost 1,500 sake breweries in Japan, which means there is a variety of Sakekasu corresponding to the types of sake. What's interesting about Sakekasu is that even though you cook with it, your meal could taste different depending on the kind of Sakekasu you use.
How was Sakekasu journey? I hope you enjoyed. And please let me know in the comment which one you'd like to try. So see you next time!